Hello again, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 14 by 14 inch canvas and a little bit of spilled paint. And I have painted a wet diagonal white and black side, and now I'm going to contemplate adding, instead of dots like I did recently, I'm just going to put lines. And I'm going to go across those lines. And I don't even know if they need to be lines. They could just be squiggles. I definitely contemplated just squiggles. Anyway, so I'm going to put gold on last. I'm going to try and use some copper, especially on the black side. And definitely some gold, and I think some orange too. A little bit here and there, and everywhere. And then some folk art color shifting red, as strange as that seems to me. That's what came to me. I have some electric blue from Arteza. It's a little gooey at the tip. Just pull that right out of there. Or plug it up more, trying. Okay, that wasn't working. So, let's just go ahead and use something different. Let's use the Prism Pour Hot Orchid. And although I want some yellow in there, I'm really thinking that the gold may suffice. I can always add more colors. I didn't put any green in, and I think I want to. Not sure about green and orange together, but we'll just keep taking a chance. I have some Venetian blue. These colors look odd to me right now. But you know what? Sometimes people put together the weirdest color combinations and they come out fantastic. So who am I to say? I want some lighter blue, and it is in... You know what? I'm just going to clean out the tip of my electric blue from Arteza while I look for that other blue, which is just an Anita's White Metallic with some Venetian blue in it, that I have put someplace right in front of me and is missing. That's weird. It's just, I have gremlins. Maybe they're in my head, but I got them. Come on, show yourself. There you are. Got it. I kind of wanted to do patches of one color. Just a few colors, and I lost it. There's no doubt about it. I gave it up. But we'll see what happens. Let's do the gold. Should be interesting. I have some black, Amsterdam black, and I might use some white. Just get the Meeden out of here so I don't make that mistake. I'm going to try and use the black on the white side and vice versa. I think this is going to work. I hope so. I need a scrape dish or a card. I think a card will work even better than a scrape dish. So let's just use the white on the other side. Exactly. Sometimes it's the least little bit of skin that's keeping the paint from coming out. I always wanted to try putting that right onto the black and see what would happen. And now I have. If I don't like that, that might become a double swipe. Okay, so let's do some black over here. And use the rest of it to go the rest of the way. I'm going to use all that paint right along this edge, and figured I could double swipe if I didn't get any cells, but I got some cells. Some orange in there. I keep using my other swipe card to clean my current swipe card off. Use my residuals. The white isn't too bad. I'm thinking about grabbing a small card and maybe trailing some marks through some smaller rectangular card, because that's bugging me. What can I do? I can use a palette knife. It was a risky endeavor, but I think I don't mind it. I can get rid of my extra color on the palette knife right in the end and scrape off what's on that card with my palette knife and use it. Okay, so I don't really want to use the white again, to tell you the truth. I would like my bottles to stay out of the way. I'm wondering if I can put some down. I've wanted to do sections. Just grab some white again. I know I said I wasn't going to, but I have to know. There's a little bit there and a little bit here. Maybe a little more pressure on the card. Better pressure on the card means better colors, evidently. I think a little more of that color shifting red from Folk Art. Go back to the black. It's not very geometric. I guess it wasn't really supposed to be either. I don't have nearly enough hot orchid on this part. I do have enough paint that I've scraped off and rescued in my little scrape dish so that I could do edges if I needed to. But I also have already covered so many edges that I'm okay with that. I got some beautiful cells. I got bottles in my white. They didn't used to be. I put something over there so that I could keep track of things. I think it's going to be orange or copper. No, maybe not. Maybe purple. Yeah, I think so. Purple and some more. Oh, this is a cobalt. Where'd it go? This turquoise is called Metallic cobalt blue, and it is very turquoise, metallic. So go figure. I have no idea what that means. I like the little strands of gold poking through the background. I kind of wish I'd done more of that. So tempting to do white over there. Okay, I'm going to do it. I don't even know if you guys love these as much as I do or not. I just can't stand not doing them. I need this side. I am quite certain that how much pressure you put on the card has a lot to do with how things turn out. And I'm not sure I ever put the same pressure on the card twice. But that looks really good. The question is, do I want to hit bottles every time I turn? The question is, do I want to go back and do anything else? I've got color on my card. I don't. I really don't. I just really like that the way it is. Except for that one white spot right there, which I'm going to fix. This could be a cool keyhole swipe the next time I try and do this method. Just leave a lot more background. There we go. Happier now. It's strange, the little things that draw your eye, that bother you. So I love you guys. There's over 93,000 of you. If you're looking for more videos, I have over 2,000 of them. Please ask me for a link if you need one, to a playlist, or even to a video if you want a suggestion from me. Thank you for all the donations that help keep me painting all this time. I really appreciate keeping on painting all this time. And if you would like to be in the monthly drawing, you can see the prizes offered at the beginning of the exhibition video that's shared with you on the end screens of every video. New exhibition video every month, at least for now, while I'm still here. We'll see what happens. I'm hoping something's going to change pretty quick here. Thank you for the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you so much, honestly. You help immensely. I want to use a straw and break up that line. That I see, but probably nobody else sees. Which I could go through the whole thing, actually. And just break up that last hard line, and then things would be copacetic. If you do decide to stick your fingers in your painting, do it very lightly, because otherwise you will pull up way more paint than you want to. Alright, so please give me a thumbs up. When you share my videos, you help me out. When you watch them longer, it's the most assistance of all to keep my channel getting views. Look for the link tree below the video. I am going to zoom in. I got some great cells. I need to torch still. I torched to reduce... I torched to remove the bubbles caught in the paint. Not that I think that there are very many when you swipe, to tell you the truth. I think it squeezes most of the air out. Whoa. Okay. My camera mount has just decided to do something really odd. Hopefully I can fix that. Alright, what else can I tell you? My Amazon link is on the link tree, and I have 2 books there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, or volumes 1 and 2. If you shop the Amazon link, it's at no added cost to you, and it helps me out, and I really appreciate that. My community board on my YouTube channel has tomorrow's video. My Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation group on Facebook is listed on the link tree, along with Expressionist Art Studio Gallery totes and more, which will take you to Fine Art America and Pixels.com. On the link tree, you will also find Expressionist Art Studio Gallery fans and collectors, and you should look through the albums there of older artwork if you're interested in knowing what the older YouTube videos look like. Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links are also there. Should you want to contact me, my email address is below Show More. When you click Show More underneath the link tree, you'll find my email address to contact me for information regarding having a private class with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, if you so desire, or if you want information about purchasing a painting. You will also find my paint pouring recipe along with my cell activator recipes. There's Teespring clothing, all over print leggings, and t-shirts. It's actually called Spring now. It's underneath the video. If you click on one of them, you'll see the whole store if you look around. And my Legallerist is the top linked The top link on the link tree, clothing made in Montreal. It's investment quality fashion, and it's not inexpensive. But if you're looking for something less expensive, spring is a good option, and so are excuse me, I'm tripping over my tongue. So are pixels.com and Fire North America for t-shirts and such. All right, enough talking. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, saying thank you so much for everything, and I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.